Hello. Today we have important news. Then,
Mark, now the breaking news.
Politic. Zapatero has been fired, and now he is a writer in Barcelona.
Ronaldinho said that he didn't like football and he likes drinking and girls and porn. He's in bad ways. Mark?
Yeah, it's the reason for today.
We connect with Felix.
Yeah.
Felix, do you hear me?
Felix?
Yeah, Guillem, I'm in a difficult situation. Reclaiming Sorry, I didn't finish the conversation, sorry.
And now the telephone section. Mark?
Yeah.
Hello? Hello,
Sorry.
I am Karna. I like this program very much, and you are very beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks.
Karma.
Yeah, we are beautiful.
Well, now, Mark, stop doing this, please. And now we're connecting with. Oh, we're not connecting with anybody because we haven't got Felix is ill. Sorry. So we now are gonna pass with the Mark. Attention, breaking news. ETA has crashed a building in center of Madrid. Mark, more details?
Yeah. There have been explosions in the center of Madrid. He died, Zapatero. Yes.
Oh, what a pity. And now we're connecting with the group of terrorists of ETA. Go to ETA. Felix, do you hear me? Felix?
Thank you, William. We are the ETA. Go ETA!
Go ETA!
If Ronaldinho doesn't go to Athletic de Bilbao, we are going to destroy Madrid.
Zapatero will it.
Hello. The transmission has been finished, and now Ramon has the breaking news about the sport. Hello, and now the song of the program.
Hello, I'm Ramon. I will represent the sports. The news of the day, as my colleagues say, Ronaldinho is fat and drank alcohol and take drugs. At this moment, Rooney is in a conference, and Football Club Barcelona said Ronaldinho is fat. Rooney is for sale. Everybody knows that Rooney is fat, but he is a crack, and a lot of clubs want him. Yes. For example, Berlusconi want him for a lot of millions, and ETA want him for the force. ETA has attacked today with a bomb. This is the news of the day.
Oh, thank you very much, Ramon.
Sorry.
And now the windy and
The weather news.
yeah, we apologize.
Hello, here we can see Sabadell in my bag. There are a lot of clothes, black clothes, and well, this afternoon it has rained until 5. The weather forecast for this week is tomorrow it's gonna rain all the day. It's good because we have a drought in Catalonia. And Wednesday it's gonna be very sunny. I like the sun. And Tuesday it's gonna be a tsunami in Barcelona because a tornado.
What are you doing in my house?
Adiós, moro!
Other sports news. Getafe has made an offer for Cristiano Ronaldo, and Manchester United accepted this for 1 million euros. Getafe has lost all the competitions and he needs a player. For example, with Valencia, they lose the King's Cup, and with the Bayern Munich. The big clubs are disappointed because the big clubs have had offered more money for Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah, good news, Ramon. And now, Paul Durac has presented her section of the news.
Hello.
Hello.
Here we are with Cristiano Ronaldo. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine, thank you.
And what's the reason you have gone to Getafe?
Oh, I'm very happy go to Getafe. Is very good club. He have very good football, very good players. City is very beautiful. Thank you.
Yes, and how much have they paid to you?
I win 3 million. Is all for today. Thank you and goodbye.